Welcome class 5th student in the lecture of reasoning. Your interesting and second chapter is coding decoding. Let me introduce. A code is a system of signals. Therefore, coding is a method of transmitting a message between two persons only without any third person knowing it. The person who transmits the code or signal is called the sender, and the person who receives it is called the receiver. Transmitted codes or signals are translated into intelligible signs by the receiver on the other side. This is also known as decoding. Decoding is thus the process to understand a code language. There are three types of coding decoding. Number one coding is letter coding. Letters of the alphabet are used in either forward or backward direction or both the directions for making some code language. In this type of coding, you must know a letter before or after each letter in alphabetical order. Letters of a word in reverse direction is also in this coding. Let's take an example related to letter coding. Eraser encoding, rubber encoding. So you identify what is happening in this question. Listen. We divided into two equal parts. Okay, 3 is here, 3 is here. E is reverse. First letter is reverse with third letter. Okay, and last third letter is reverse in the place of first letter. Okay, E is come from there, A is come from there, and R as it is. S is here, R is here, and E as it is. So we do same thing. R is replaced here, B is replaced here, and U as it is. B is replaced here, and R is replaced here, and E replaced as it is. So the coding is B U R R E B. This is your right answer. Now we come to the second type of question, direct letter coding. Letters of words are directly replaced by other letters. We take example B A G X Y Z. This is a coded. Leaf P Q Y R. This is a coded flag. So F coded as R, L coded as P, A coded as Y, G coded as Z. So the right answer is R, P, Y, Z. R, P, Y, and Z is the correct answer. Okay. Now come to the last type, number and symbol coding. In this type of coding, the numeral or symbols are assigned to words or alphabetical code. Letters are assigned to the numbers, symbols. Letters and numbers as well as symbols are associated to each other in no other way except in connection to the position of the letters in the English letter set. Thus, it is possible that this connection holds or the coding must be done according to an arrangement of given rules. We take example with related to the number and symbol coding. T is coded as 7, A is coded as star, M is coded as 3, I is coded as greater than, L is coded as hash, and ln is coded as it is. So what A is coded as star, N is coded as smaller than, I is coded greater than, M is coded 3, A is coded star, and L is coded hash. So the right option is Right answer is star, smaller, greater than, 3, star and hash. Okay. Now we take one more example. Plate 98765, cake 1725. So what is coded as? Place P is coded as 9, L is coded as 8, A 7, C 1 and E is 5. Okay, 5. So place is coded as 98715 is your correct option. Okay. I hope you all are getting my points. Thank you for watching my video.